Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on these two eyeshadow palettes from Mars Cosmetics. This is their I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palette. So I did a full face of makeup using Mars Cosmetics sometime back on my channel. But in that video, I couldn't try these two palettes. I had one more palette which I used in that video. But in today's video, I'll be using these two palettes. I'll be sharing my review. I'll be creating two different eye looks using these two palettes. By the way, I have these two variants with me. This one is Smoke It Up and this one is Lit It Up. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So these are Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow palettes. They come in this kind of outer packaging. It's a cardboard packaging and I think the packaging is really good. These eyeshadow palettes retail for 249 rupees and you get 9 grams of product in each of these. The shelf life of these eyeshadow palette is 3 years, which is a good time. And let me show you how it looks from inside. So this is the palette Smoke It Up and this is how it looks like. So both of these eyeshadow palettes look like this only. So they come in this very beautiful white packaging. Again, the inner packaging is also very good. I'm actually very impressed with the packaging of Mars Cosmetics. सारे ही प्रोडक्ट की आउटर पैकेजिंग इनर पैकेजिंग दोनों ही काफ़ी अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है. They are very affordable still. The quality is really good. So this is how the first palette looks like, Smoke It Up. And you get this full size mirror as well. Mirror की quality भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. And look at the shades. Shades are so beautiful. So you get a combination of matte and metallic shades in these eyeshadow palettes. So in this one you get 7. So this is 9 pan palette. So in this one you get 7 matte shades and there are 2 metallic shades. And the other one is this one, the purple palette, which is Lit It Up. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like from inside. So actually when I received this palette, the middle shade was broken. That's why it looks like this. I tried to fix it up. So yeah, this is the second palette. So in this one actually there are more metallic shades. So in this one you have like 4 matte shades and all these are metallic shades. So इसके अंदर आपको ज़्यादा metallic shades मिल रहे हैं, while in this one you get like more matte shades. So ये जो Smoke It Up palette है ना, it's a very good everyday kind of palette and you can create some smoky looks, some glam looks as well with this palette. And if you're looking for some colorful palette, you can try the variant Lit It Up. I believe there are more variants as well available in this eyeshadow palette, but I'm not exactly sure कि कितने variants हैं. So first let's see how I created this eye look using this palette Lit It Up. I've already prepped my eyes, so let's start with this shade right here. So I'll use this shade as my crease shade, like I'll apply this in my crease. And to apply this, I'm using this Jeffree Star X Morphe brush JS6. I'm applying this color mostly on the outer part of the crease, and then whatever is left I'll take in the inner part, so that जो maximum color है वो outer part में deposit हो. So the pigmentation of this shade is actually good. There was a little bit of kickback, not too much, but I don't see any fallout. Next I'm taking this shade and I'll apply this shade as my transition shade, and I'll also use this to blend the crease shade. And to apply this I'm using this brush from ProArt AE24. So next I'll use this shade. I'll apply this shade on the lids. I'm applying it using my fingers only. Okay, that is not like much pigmented, and when I'm touching it, it doesn't feel very wet. Now let's try with a wet brush. I still don't see a lot of pigmentation with this shade. I'm a little disappointed. Now let's use this shade. I'll apply this shade in the inner part of the lids. Okay, this is pretty. This shade is pretty and the pigmentation is better than the purple shade which we applied. Okay, it was going on good, but when I applied the second layer, इसका जो texture है वो कुछ अजीब सा हो गया है. Like now I can't explain, but can you see? बहुत ही अजीब सा texture हो गया है. Okay, I'm not happy. Next I'm using this dark brown shade. I'll use to increase the intensity of the eye look. I'll apply this on the outer V and little bit on the outer crease as well. I'm using this fluffy brush which I use to apply the transition shade, and I'll just blend everything together. Okay, so now let's do the lower lash line. So I'm using this dark brown shade only, which I applied on my outer V's, and I'll apply this very close to my lower lash line, but only halfway through. Next I'm taking this shade. Okay, so now I'm actually trying to use this middle shade, and I'll apply this in the inner corners. Okay, I'm not able to pick up this shade. No, not working. So yeah guys, that's all for the eye look. I'll complete rest of my makeup and come back. So guys, I'm back and this is the final look, and I think the eye look is looking pretty. So I'm happy with the matte shades of this palette. Like I tried these matte shades, you get 4 shades, and I tried these 3. And all of these matte shades perform really good. काफ़ी अच्छी pigmentation है, it's very easy to blend them, and दे आर नॉट पैची, बहुत ईजिली ब्लेंड हो जाते हैं और आपको काफ़ी अच्छा कलर मिलता है आइज के ऊपर, एंड दे वर्क वेरी वेल विद ईच अदर. देर इज़ अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ किक बैक इन द पैन, बट देर वॉज नो फॉल आउट ऑन द आइज, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. Now about the metallic shades, I'm not very happy with the metallic shades. So I tried these 3 metallic shades from this palette. इसको छोड़ देते हैं because it's broken, so maybe it was not performing that well because of that. But with these metallic shades, like ये वाला तो उतना pigmented ही नहीं था. I had to struggle a lot to get a good pigmentation. I tried with my finger, I tried with wet brush, but still the pigmentation was not that good. And this one, it applied very beautiful. जब मैंने पहली बार अप्लाई किया, it applied very beautifully. But when I tried to build up the color, इसका जो texture है बहुत अजीब सा हो गया. तो I'm not very happy with the metallic shades in this palette, but the matte shades perform really well. So now let's see how this variant Smoke It Up performs. So first I'm taking this dark brown shade from the palette. I'm using this brush from Morphe E36. So I'm taking this on this brush. I don't see a lot of kickback in the palette. There is little bit of kickback, which is fine. So just stepping off the excess. Now I'll apply this color very close to my upper lash line. So you have this mirror here in this palette, which is very good. So I'll be using this mirror only for the eye look. So you can see the shade is very pigmented. Now first I packed the color. Now I'll blend this shade using the same brush. So this shade is very dark, still it's very easy to blend it. It's not going on patchy or anything. Next I'm using this shade from the palette. And to apply this shade I'm using this brush. This is from Morphe X Jeffree Star collection, JS6. So I'm applying this shade in my crease, and I'll also blend this dark brown shade with this shade. So I'm taking the shade on the tip of the brush, dusting off the excess. Again there is a little bit of kickback, not too much. The pigmentation of this shade also is very good. So it was very easy to work with this crease shade as well. It was very easy to apply and blend. Eyeshadows काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, काफ़ी अच्छे से pigmented हैं, and they are very easy to blend. Now I'll take this light brown shade and I'll use this shade as my transition shade. So I'm going like in the opposite direction. So I started with the darkest shade. Now I'm moving to the lightest shade. So I'm taking this shade on this brush. This brush is from ProArt AE24. Now using the same brush, I'm blending everything together so that there is no harsh line. I'm again using this dark shade. I just want to increase the intensity of this shade. So generally जो eyeshadows होते हैं थोड़े light हो जाते हैं once you blend them. So you can always take some more color and increase the intensity like I'm doing. Now I'll repeat the same thing on my lower lash line as well. So first I'm taking this dark shade on the same brush. I'm using this brush because it's a very precise brush. I'll apply this shade close to my lower lash line and to the outer part of the lower lash line. Only this much. Next I'm taking this shade. Next I'm taking this shade which I used as a transition shade. Next I'm taking this black shade on this angular brush. This is from BH Cosmetics 107. So I'll use this shade as a liner, like I'll apply this as a liner. Next I'm taking this shade. I'll apply this shade in my inner corners and I'll use this shade to highlight my brow bones as well. For that I'm using this brush PAC 082. Next for kajal I'm using this kajal from PAC. Next for mascara, I'm using this mascara from Essence. It's their Lash Paradise mascara. For lipstick, I'm using this Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade You Are Latte. So this is the final look and I think it is looking really pretty, and this eyeshadow performs really well. Like I used 4 shades only from this palette out of these 9 shades. I used these 3 matte shades and this metallic shades. So सारे shades काफ़ी अच्छे से perform किए. This metallic shade is not that wet. Like it's not very wet or pigmented, but still it performs really good. You won't see a lot of kickback with these shadows. They perform really well. The pigmentation is good. It's very easy to blend these eyeshadows. They perform really well with each other. They work really well with each other, and I didn't see fallout as well with any of these shades. Just that this metallic shade, which when I applied this shade in my inner corner, so when I was applying it, I saw a little bit of fallout with this metallic shade, but matte shades के साथ मुझे कोई भी fallout नहीं दिखा. And yeah, it was very easy to work with these shades. So I think this palette performs really well, especially for the price you are paying. It's a really good palette and you get a very nice mirror. I used this mirror only while creating this look, so it's very handy and it's very convenient to create an eye look with this palette. It's very lightweight, so you can easily hold it, you can easily work with it. The packaging is really good, the shadows are really pretty. And yeah, I use this black shade as well. I forgot, so I use this to create this liner. And again, the black shade also is really pretty. Generally जो black होते हैं वो उतने अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं करते हैं if the quality is not good, but this black shade had a good pigmentation and it was very easy to work with again. So I think overall this palette is really good and it performs so well. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video, and overall I think these eyeshadow palettes are very good for the price you are paying. The packaging is very good and they perform also really well. So guys, that's a wrap. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.